Hello everyone, this is Dr. Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another challenge lock video. So we have Boris by Leyton in the voice. It's got a fiddly little number. I've only ever got this one open in the hand, so I'll give it a go in the voice now. And there we go. We got it open. It was a bit of a tough one, that was. Hard to get around the boarding, but nice lock nevertheless. So yeah, Boris by Leyton, lovely little lock. That boarding was kicking my ass a bit about that little curve on the boarding, but we got there in the end. So if you watched it this far, thank you very much for watching. See you later.